Imagine you are in the middle of a city, yet you cannot see the building at the end of the street. This is what happened in Sapporo on Tuesday night, January 13th, 2025, when this dream city, located in Hokkaido, Japan, turned into a white prison. In the Chuo-ku and Kita-ku areas, the snowstorm fell so heavily that visibility was zero. This condition made driving dangerous. Even getting out of the car was not a good idea. Wind speeds in coastal areas like Ishikari and Otaru were recorded at between 30 to 35 meters per second. As a result, transportation was totally paralyzed. Train services at Sapporo Station heading to New Chitose Airport and Asahikawa were completely halted. More than 150 flights were canceled, leaving thousands of travelers stranded at the terminal. Scientifically, this phenomenon was triggered by a very strong, winter-typical low-pressure system in the Sea of Japan. Freezing air from Siberia absorbed massive moisture as it passed over warm waters, then released it as intense snow when it struck the mountains in Hokkaido. Experts call this the JPCZ effect, Japan Sea Polar Air Mass Convergence Zone. What made this event different was the unstable stratospheric temperature, pushing the polar air mass much further south than usual. This is precisely why this time the snow accumulation felt much heavier compared to previous years. The Hokkaido Expressway was closed at several points because the snow accumulation reached a thickness of 55 to 60 centimeters in less than 24 hours. The Hokkaido prefectural government urged everyone to remain indoors. The risk of frostbite is very real, with temperatures plummeting to minus 10 degrees Celsius. So, do you still think Sapporo is a dream destination, or has it become a freezing nightmare?